Hi, I'm going to show you how to turn our 2 battery holder case into a 4 battery holder case. To do that, we're going to start off by creating a plane, and the plane is going to be 19 millimeters away from our center origin plane that we started off with to create this original 2 battery holder. So come from your origin and come up to Construct Offset Plane, and you're going to offset your plane 19 millimeters and hit OK. Once we do that, we're going to mirror our battery case part across this plane that we just made, and we're going to do the same thing for the contacts as well as the screws. From here, what we're going to do, and by the way, if your contacts are not coming out to the right spot, then you may need to move them using the position. But if everything comes out the way it should, the next thing to do is to create a sketch here for 2 feet that we're going to attach to the bottom of the case. Once you create this sketch, which is really just 2 squares that are going to be here at both sides and that are within the bounds of the part, you're just going to hit OK and you're going to extrude, and then from there you can just fill at the ends and you can mirror it to the other side as well, and you're going to create a hole using the hole command. So it's really very simple. The main takeaway from this tutorial really is the mirroring of the original case. Once you mirror the original case, everything else is fairly easy. And it's all stuff that we've done before, especially in the previous tutorial. So I hope you got a lot of value out of this, and please like and subscribe for more Fusion 360 and engineering content just like this. Thank you.